Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Tips for Daily Life.
All parents like to believe that their baby is exceptionally intelligent, and for some, it is absolutely true. Parents don't always know what signs might indicate that their child has a higher than average intelligence quotient, IQ. In fact, there are several signs that might appear early on in the child's life that point to high intelligence, and some of these signs can even appear shortly after birth. It may seem surprising, but there are many indicators that are present right after birth and throughout the initial months of baby's life that may support that you have a little genius on your hands. While these points are not conclusive, they can definitely indicate that your baby is highly intelligent. With the right stimulus and tools, you can help your young child sharpen their intelligence skills to get them geared up before starting school. 1. Extraordinarily alert. It can come as a surprise to see just how alert a newborn can be, especially when they are only a few days or weeks old. While all newborns will try to absorb and make sense of their surroundings, some seem to be much more alert right off the bat. These babies who appear to be extraordinarily alert may just end up having a higher IQ. Studies point to a very alert baby, who makes eye contact and seems to always be listening and watching, with having a high IQ. They seem to be able to pay attention, and show a bigger range for perception much earlier, too. 2. Emotionally powerful personality. Babies who are gifted with additional intelligence are emotionally intense, too. This means, they will feel both positive and negative emotions quite strongly and will have a complex and mature thinking. If your baby is a gifted one, watch how she will connect powerfully to people and pets. Such kids need to be encouraged and told that their thoughts are quite normal and vital. 3. Looks straight at parents almost immediately. When it comes to being alert and having a high IQ potential, one thing really stands out. Being alert is totally normal and positive for any growing baby, even right from birth. But, when that baby is able to make direct eye contact with his or her parents, that is a sign of advanced development at an early age. Babies are born into a world that they will immediately try to make sense of. However, with undeveloped senses, it can be a lot to navigate. If a newborn baby can look straight at his parents, it is a remarkable thing, and a possible sign of a high IQ. 4. Recognizes faces. Your baby is born with no knowledge of what his parents actually look like. A baby has heard his or her parents while in utero, but never laid eyes on them prior to birth. One sign a baby will have a high IQ is being able to recognize the faces of close family members early on: mom, dad, siblings, and so on. It may take a bit of time for recognition to set in, but it will become apparent when the baby is looking at someone she actually recognizes. She might even be able to pick out grandma from a series of photos. Go ahead and try this one with your little one. 5. Reaches milestones early. This is a big one. We all know that babies achieve milestones, such as crawling, walking, and talking, at different speeds. Some reach milestones very early, and some simply take their time. According to The Conversation, studies have shown there to be a correlation between reaching certain milestones early on and heightened IQ. Babies who achieve milestones remarkably fast, even unusually so, may end up having above average intelligence. Now, this does not mean you should push your baby to crawl before he's ready. Just know if he is crawling earlier than others, it simply means he is one smart cookie. 6. Always wiggling around. Got a little wiggle worm on your hands? Let's face it, almost all babies are wiggly. It is a huge part of newborn life. Some babies, though, tend to be way more wiggly than their same-age counterparts. Some may see this as an issue or something that needs to be contained. Absolutely not. A wiggly baby may very well be a very smart baby. This goes along with a need to constantly be stimulated. A high IQ in a baby usually indicates that they are ready to do lots of things, and that might manifest as extra movement and wiggling. 7. Prefer to be alone. Gifted babies are more than happy in their own company, playing with toys, coloring books, or solving puzzles. If your child seeks the company of slightly older kids, it is purely to gain a higher emotional and intellectual understanding of things around them. This is one of the signs of high intelligence in babies. Such kids prefer 1 or 2 friends and are comfortable in a small group. If your baby is able to entertain herself without much of a hassle, prepare to welcome a tiny genius into the family. Such gifted kids can be slightly introverted, too, so be careful not to push them to do something they actually don't like. 8. Here's more than one spoken language. If you can speak more than one language, it's a great idea to speak to your baby in each language starting as soon as you discover that you're expecting. Studies have shown that hearing different languages can actually cause the brain to develop at a faster rate, which can ultimately lead to a higher IQ. Knowing more than one language has an array of amazing benefits for your baby, too, with high IQ being just one of them. 9. Sensitive to certain smells and tastes. This may come as a surprise, but there is a correlation with being sensitive to certain smells and tastes, and having a higher IQ. Perhaps it is the senses that are overstimulated in those with high IQs, or just a quirk of having a high IQ. No matter the underlying reason, there is a definite correlation. If your little one seems to have adverse or adventurous tastes, that can indicate higher than average intelligence. If certain smells turn her away from some foods, that can also be indicative of a very smart child. Pay attention to your baby's habits, they may be telling you something. 10. Vivid imagination. Is your toddler making up stories or playing with imaginary friends? Does your baby make up situations that seem too intricate for his or her age? If yes, you could certainly expect a genius to grow up in your home. You may have to rein in the baby's fertile imagination, especially since it could lead to complex situations. But be sure to never curb it. 11. Highly curious. If your toddler is keen to explore everything that surrounds him, her and asks a million questions that are anything but mundane, chances are you have a highly intelligent kid in your midst. Be prepared to give detailed answers and back them up with proof, as your kid will ask for it. Do not stifle her curiosity, although it may be slightly annoying at times. Prepare for a few questions that stump you, sending you on a Google hunt on your smartphone. So, it's time to brush up your own general knowledge too. Opening up a favorite toy train or soft toy to see what's inside should be expected behavior from an intelligent baby. While parents are the best judge of high intelligence in their child, there could be certain cases and situations where it is difficult to diagnose it. However, taking an IQ test or connecting to a professional from the field is also recommended to reach a confirmation. Enhance these signs by doing things like pointing out to specific people or things, so your child connects to them. Speak clearly and try to limit baby talk to a few words, if you want your baby to speak real words quickly.
Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to health and medical topics, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.